Hello everyone. Today's recipe is a very healthy, protein-rich breakfast. We are going to make sprouted moong dal chillies. Now using sprouted moong for the batter is really much more nutritious than just using the soaked moong. And you can enjoy this for breakfast or even brunch because it's nice and filling. It's also a perfect recipe to carry in your lunch box. So let's get started and make this delicious breakfast. Here are the ingredients. I have taken moong sprouts, 2 cups. These are homemade sprouts. You can check out the video on how to make them at home. Green chillies, 2 or as per your taste. Add more if you like it spicier. Ginger, 1-inch piece, cut into small pieces. Garlic cloves, 6 to 8. Half cup of coriander leaves. You could use spinach also instead. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Asafoetida or hing, 1/8 teaspoon. Cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Besan or gram flour, 3 tablespoons. Ingredients list also is shared in the description box. Now we'll grind all the ingredients, adding little water. Here is how the texture should be: coarser. Don't make it too smooth. It should be pouring consistency like this so that you can spread it easily. Now heat a pan, preferably a non-stick pan. Spread 2 ladlefuls of batter. You can make thick or thin chillies the way you like them. Cover it so that it can cook well and evenly. Reduce the flame. Spray some oil on it after some time. When the chilla is firm enough, with a small spatula you release the sides first, so that you can flip it very easily. Now using a wider spatula, flip the side very carefully. Spray oil on the other side as well and cook the chilla until it is done. Very healthy and nutritious breakfast. Adding sprouted moongs make it more healthier. Remove it into a plate and serve it hot. In the same way, make the remaining chillies. You can have many variations. You could add grated carrot to it or crumbled paneer. There are many options. So friends, do give it a try. Make and enjoy these very healthy moong sprout chillies. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you for watching. And if you have missed out these videos, please check them out as well. And stay tuned. Bye.